New information tonight just coming into our newsroom. An appeals court is now upholding a judge's decision to allow early voting this Saturday in the Senate runoff race between Senator Raphael Warnock and Herschel Walker.
Now, this is part of an ongoing legal battle between the state and several political groups. Joe Hinkie is here joining us now to break all of this down and what this all means, Joe.
Well, Jennifer, the state appeals court issued its ruling in the past half hour, and earlier today one legal expert told me this was the likely outcome because of what is called the Purcell principle. Immediately before an election, courts are directed to not change election rules in a way that could create confusion. Telling voters they can vote on Saturday and then telling them at the last second they can't would go against that principle. Here's how we got here. The state of Georgia filed an appeal this morning asking the state appeals court to overturn a judge's ruling from last Friday allowing Saturday voting. All of this stems from a bulletin the Secretary of State's office issued to counties that state law does not allow for Saturday voting after a state holiday on a Thursday or Friday. Several Democratic and later Republican groups sued, arguing the law does not apply to runoffs. With the appeal court's decision, it is now up to each county to decide if they will host early voting this Saturday. I'm told right now the Gwinnett County Board of Elections is meeting to decide if its polls will be open on Saturday. So far, DeKalb, Fulton, Cobb, and Rockdale are just some of the counties that have already announced they will let voters cast a ballot this Saturday. Ron?
All right, thanks a lot, Joe. And each county is able to determine its own hours and days for early voting. At least one metro county will have locations open tomorrow for voters. To see what the dates and hours are for your county, just check out our voter guide on 11alive.com.